Hi, I'm Grace. If you are learning Mandarin and you want to sound more fluently, then knowing how to use transition words to link your ideas is such an important thing. So if you are wondering how to say so, but, because, and then, although in Mandarin, please keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome to Grace Mandarin Chinese. Today I'm going to give you 5 transition words that are commonly used and show you some examples to see how to use them correctly. Number 1 is 所以. 所以. 所以 means so. For example, I could say 我喜欢打羽球. I like playing badminton. 所以常常和朋友去打球. So I often go and play it with my friends. 我喜欢打羽球，所以常常和朋友去打球. Or another example could be like 珍珠奶茶很好喝. Bubble tea is so tasty. 所以我每天都想喝. So I want to drink it every day. 珍珠奶茶很好喝，所以我每天都想喝。And this word is often combined with 因为. So number 2, I want to introduce 因为. 因为. 因为 means because. Like I could also say 因为我喜欢打羽球 because I like playing badminton. 所以常常和朋友去打球. I often go and play it with my friends. 因为我喜欢打羽球，所以常常和朋友去打球. Another example is 因为珍珠奶茶很好喝 because bubble tea is so tasty. 所以我每天都想喝. I want to drink it every day. 因为珍珠奶茶很好喝，所以我每天都想喝. In English, you won't say because and so at the same time, but you can use these 2 transition words in the same sentence in Chinese. Number 3, 但是. 但是. 但是 means but. A lot of times you will only hear people say 但. 但. It's the same meaning as 但是. Let's take a look at the example. 虽然读书不轻松，但我喜欢学习。虽然读书不轻松 ，Studying is not easy. 但是我喜欢学习 ，But I like to learn. 虽然读书不轻松，但是我喜欢学习。Number 4, 虽然。虽然。虽然 means although. You have already seen this in the last example. It means although. Let me give you another example. 虽然练羽球很累 Although practicing badminton is very exhausting. 但可以让我进步 It can help me improve. 虽然练羽球很累，但可以让我进步 In these 2 sentences, we can also use 虽然, 但是 these 2 transition words together. Number 5, 然后. 然后. 然后 means and then. It can be used like this. 我想先吃饭，然后吃甜点，然后喝咖啡，然后我想先吃饭 I want to have a meal first. 然后吃甜点 and then have a dessert. 然后喝咖啡 and then have a cup of coffee. 然后 and then. 我想先吃饭，然后吃甜点，然后喝咖啡，然后所以所以所以因为因为因为但是但是 但是，虽然，然后。Okay, these are the 5 commonly used transitions in Chinese. You can start and try to use these words when you speak Chinese. And in the end, remember to hit the subscribe button. I will see you soon. Bye!